So now what we can do is work on the stars here. They're actually pretty easy. It's one of our shapes. So if we come over here, you can see we actually have a star tool. And all we have to do is hold our Alt key down and zoom in on this bottom star here. And I'm just going to draw on a star approximately the size. It's white, so let's change the color to white. And we will then move it over here. It's at the intersection, and it's about the shape and size we want. Can make it a little bigger if we will. If we hold our shift key down, we can lock in the proportion, so kind of make the proportion look like that. And then I'm just gonna Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it, and that just creates another star. And what I can do here is use the rotate tool to rotate it, and we do another Control V because we've already copied it to the clipboard. We come over here, rotate this one, come up a little bit more, do Control V again, and we'll move that one over slightly and rotate it as well. So again, I'm just left clicking up on the corner here, rotating it in, and then we'll do a Control V here and drop that one in right there. So now we've got the stars placed, and we will work on this area, this object in here, which is the torch and the hand and then number 2.